The NOCTI 21st Century Skills Assessment may be provided by any Illinois workNet partner. An Illinois workNet partner, such as an instructor or case manager, will provide you with simple instructions for accessing the online assessment. Go to the test site URL at www.illinoisworknet.com/NOCTI test. Log into your account. If you do not have an account, create an Illinois workNet account. Enter your test code. You will see a link to take the assessment. Once you click on the link, the program will check your system and then redirect you to the assessment. The assessment title will be located at the top of the page. Please verify that the assessment title is correct and then click the Next button. The next page will display your first and last name. This information comes from your Illinois workNet account. Click Next. This page contains demographic questions. Demographic data is important and is always kept confidential. It is helpful if you take a few minutes to complete the demographic questions listed, but it's not required. When you're finished, click the Next button. You can take a minute to quickly review the features of the online system by clicking on the Go Practice button. Do not click Begin Test until you are instructed to do so. If you do click the Begin Test button, the timer will begin for completion of your test. The practice test contains 9 practice questions. Read the sample question and answer each of them. Only one answer may be selected for each item. You're able to move back and forth between the questions using the Previous and Next buttons. Note the mark box, which allows you to flag a question so that you may return to it at a later point in the assessment session. Begin your assessment by scrolling down the page and clicking the Begin Test button. Once you begin the assessment, you will notice that there is a running clock at the bottom of each page. This assessment is timed and has a total administration time of 2 hours. When you have completed the assessment, a summary page will be displayed showing the questions that have been completed, marked, or left unanswered. You can return to a question by clicking the link on the question number, or you may use the View All Marked Items or View All Incomplete Item links at the bottom of the summary screen. These links will take you to the first marked or incomplete item, and they will let you proceed through the items until they have all been viewed. Any questions left unanswered will be scored as incorrect. When you are sure you are finished, click the Score This Test button at the bottom of the summary page. Once you score your assessment, you may not access it again. Your results will not be processed if you do not click the Score This Test button. You may print your scores. If you encounter any type of technical difficulty during the testing session, please raise your hand and the proctor will assist you. The proctor is only able to provide technical assistance and will not answer any questions directly related to the assessment content. Your official test results will be available in your Illinois workNet account within 48 hours. If you successfully complete the assessment, you will be able to print the NOCTI Certification of Completion. To access the results and certificate, log into your Illinois workNet account and click on Results. Click on the NOCTI Assessment link. Select a date and click Go. Each skill area links to additional related resources to help you build your soft skills. Watch the other Illinois WorkNet videos to learn about more tools and resources for helping you reach your employment goals.